In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free money on Monzo 2025. We're focusing on simple, legit ways to squeeze more value from features that already exist in the app without adding any risky tricks. Keep in mind that offers change over time and can vary by region, so always check the latest terms in your app before you act. Let's start with referral offers. Monzo regularly runs invite a friend promotions where you and the person you invite both get a reward after they sign up and meet the criteria, like making their first card payment. You'll usually find your personal invite link in the app's share or invite section. Only invite people you actually know, make sure they complete the required steps, and always read the small print so you don't miss deadlines or minimum spend requirements. Next, take advantage of Monzo's cashback offers. These appear in the app for selected retailers and categories. Activate the offers you want, pay with your Monzo card, and the cashback will track automatically. Watch the expiry dates and any caps on earnings, and remember, you can often stack these with retailer promotions or discount codes for extra savings. After purchase, keep an eye on your feed for pending cashback and the time frame for payout. If it makes financial sense, consider Monzo Pro or Perks. These paid plans can unlock higher cashback rates, extra allowances, and premium features. The key is to run the numbers. Total the benefits you realistically use each month and compare them to the subscription fee. If the value outweighs the cost, great. If not, stick with the free plan and revisit later. You can cancel anytime if it stops being worthwhile. Now put idle cash to work with savings pots that pay interest. Create a pot, pick the type that suits you, instant access for flexibility or fixed terms for potentially better rates, and review the interest rate and withdrawal rules. Even modest balances can earn something over time, especially if you consistently move spare funds into a pot. Switch on roundups and simple automations to build small bonuses. When roundups are enabled, each card purchase is rounded to the nearest whole amount, and the change is moved into a pot. Combine that with scheduled transfers, salary sorting, or goal targets, so you're steadily building a cushion without thinking about it. Finally, watch for limited time promos and community referral threads. Follow official announcements in the app and verified social channels, and browse the community for current deals. Always confirm eligibility, avoid anything that seems off, and never share one-time codes or sensitive details. That's it. Practical, low-effort ways to earn more with Monzo in 2025.